Amazon recently launched their cloud-based gaming platform, Luna, which has hundreds of free titles that are included with your Amazon Prime membership. So we picked up this Luna controller to test out the platform and see if it was any good. Let's get it unboxed and get playing.
Cloud-based gaming? Whew, that sounds cool. But first things first, let's take a closer look. Amazon may be late to the console wars, but their stab at true cloud gaming is nothing to laugh at. This is a fully featured controller with 12 action buttons, directional controller, thumbstick, bumpers, and vibration motors for haptic feedback. Power comes courtesy of 2 AA batteries, or you can keep your experience wired with a USB-C cable. The best thing about this little gadget is the latency improvements you get. Cloud gaming isn't super efficient just yet, but the Luna will give most gamers a 17 to 30 millisecond round-trip improvement. Let's fire this thing up and test it out. Cloud gaming is only just starting to catch on. So for those who've never heard of the concept, I'll give you a quick rundown. Console gaming is different in the fact that you buy the hardware and the game software prior to starting to play. There might be updates and special bug fixes, but ultimately, with a console machine, you can play games without being connected to the internet. With cloud gaming, like Amazon's Luna, everything exists on the internet. The graphics, the game engine, everything. Every input from your controller or keyboard has to be sent to the cloud in a speed fast enough that it feels relatively real-time. In fact, you'll need a base internet speed of 20 megabytes per second or higher to make cloud gaming playable. On our studio internet speed of 100 megabytes per second, we found that while it did jitter occasionally, for the most part, it just felt like regular gaming. The Luna controller is compatible with Alexa as well as the Amazon Fire Stick for almost instant gaming load times. Now, before we give you the official review to you rating, let's hear from Matt, if you can ever put that Luna controller down.
Amazon's cloud-based gaming platform, Luna, is super interesting, and I think it has a lot of potential for the right audience. This thing isn't a Xbox or a PlayStation killer or replacement. This is more geared toward those casual gamers, maybe those people looking to upgrade to Wii. The fact that it comes with hundreds of free titles that are included in your Prime membership makes it all that much more valuable for $70. For the casual gamer with a good internet connection, you're not going to notice any latency whatsoever. In fact, you're going to think you're playing right there in your living room. This thing is amazing, and for $70, well worth the price. I recently saw on Amazon too you could pick up a refurbished one for $35. That's even better if they're still available.
Thank you, Matt. Cloud gaming is finally here, and the Luna doesn't disappoint. From the familiar design to compatibility with almost every type of display, the only thing we don't like about this controller is the lack of an integrated battery. We're going to give it an 8 out of 10. So how do you get your hands on one of these Luna controllers? Well, we've got a couple options for you. You can follow our purchase link in the description below and up in the top right and pick one up for $69.99. Or you could enter the Review to You drawing and try to win ours for free. To enter, just hit the link in the pinned comment. And if you want more exclusive Review to You content and perks, such as badges, emojis, and members-only giveaways, then become a member of our Winner Circle. From Matt and Gary, thanks for watching.